Think that bright red OP logo is just a pretty face? Think again. Optimism, or OP, is more than just a cool token name. It's a movement. The OP token is the heartbeat of the Optimism Collective, which runs the Optimism Layer 2 blockchain. What's that mean? Simply put, OP helps make Ethereum faster and cheaper. It does this by handling transactions off the main chain. But here's the twist. OP isn't just for trading. Holding OP puts you in the driver's seat for one of the boldest experiments in digital democracy. With OP, you can help govern the protocol, like voting on upgrades, voting on network rules, voting on how incentives get handed out across the ecosystem. And there's more. 5.4% of all OP tokens are being distributed to projects on Optimism over the next 6 months. So if you're building something on Ethereum, you could snag a grant and join the wave. Next time you see that red OP, remember, it's not just a logo, it's an invitation. That OP logo stands for more than a token. It's a symbol of open governance, rapid innovation, and a shot at shaping the future of decentralized tech. Ready to jump in?